Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, POCO X5 device. Now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this smartphone. So if you have both your device from Europe distribution, from USA distribution, or you can't record calls using standard phone application because you have Google phone application without a call recording feature. If you will try to search call recording feature, you will see that you can do it, but you can't do it because you have smartphone from European distribution. Okay, so you can use this feature only if you have smartphone from India distribution and China. But if you don't have this feature in your phone application, you can record calls using third-party applications. For example, I suggest to try Cube ACR app. You can use this app completely for free. Of course, you have paid version, prime version of this application, but if you don't need the cloud backup of your call recordings, you can not pay for it. So open it, grant all permissions, choose enable app connector, find here accessibility button, maybe. No, so general, vision, hearing, physical. Here we need to find it. It might be in general only. So sorry, I can't find it. Accessibility menu, maybe here. Downloaded apps, okay. And in downloaded apps, you need to choose Cube ACR app connector and choose use Cube ACR connector. Click I'm aware of the possible risks and assume all possible consequences voluntarily. Okay. Click OK. Add Cube to auto start. Click OK. Find Cube ACR here. Click enable auto start. Go back. Click OK. Go it. Here choose no restrictions. It's very important to do. And click OK, go it. Now you can provide the application access to this application. I suggest you not to do it. Click OK, go it. And here, as you can see, you can buy free Prime version. Prime gives you cloud backups, pin lock. You can do it using Xiaomi settings application. Install protocol actions, so we don't need these Prime features. And great, now go to home screen, click on this three lines button and find Cube ACR here, click on Cube ACR button, and here you need to find auto start and check if this feature is enabled. This feature is enabled, so that's it. Yes, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. All your calls will be automatically recorded.